With the advent of neural networks, we have entered a new era that we need to embrace and try to maximize the capabilities of neural networks. Neural networks have touched many fields, and to be competitive you need to adapt. But don't think that neural networks will replace people or even entire professions. Today, it is a tool that can enhance your professional potential and productivity, and it is not wise to ignore this process. The faster you adapt to new realities and learn to use modern neural network technologies in your profession, the more in demand your work will be. Our video publications are designed for a step-by-step learning, and by familiarizing yourself with them, we'll be able to achieve very great results. When studying Automatic 1111, you will step-by-step learn how to install Automatic, customize it, and familiarize yourself with its file structure and interface. Learn how to install and use the most popular extensions that greatly expand our capabilities, Automatic, and learn advanced techniques for generating and converting images. This step-by-step study, from basic concepts, Automatic installation, to more complex advanced image generation techniques, will explore not only the entire Automatic interface, but also a popular extension for it. At each stage, you will learn new techniques and build your knowledge. As information on neural networks is constantly being updated, we will provide regular updates, so that the information is always up to date for you. Let's talk in more detail about Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion and its interfaces including Automatic are freely available, but we are not responsible for its use. What is Stable Diffusion? And what is Automatic Stable Diffusion? It is a text-based image generation technology that can generate any image depending on the text input. It uses diffusion technology, which converts random noise into desired images. Stable Diffusion is a checkpoint model that we use to generate our image. Stable Diffusion is developed by Stability AI, and it is free to work with the Stable Diffusion model. We can use different web interfaces, such as Automatic 1111 Compare UI Invoke AI, or Focus. Well as there are other interfaces, and also most online services use Stable Diffusion technology. Now what is Automatic 1111? It is the most popular and powerful web interface for Stable Diffusion that can create a stunning image from a text description. Automatic 1111 is not just a web interface, but an entire platform for working with Stable Diffusion. It has a large community of enthusiasts and developers, which makes this web interface the largest in terms of functionality. Automatic 1111 allows you to have maximum control over the generation of images, like DALL-E or Midjourney. In Midjourney, you do not have such control over generation, and if you plan to use the image generation capabilities professionally, you need Automatic. What is the advantage of Automatic over other services, such as Midjourney and DALL-E? Purely as an image generator, these services are great, but these services only work with safe work, i.e. images that are safe to view. In Automatic, you can generate anything you want if you have a clear specification for the image. That is, if you work professionally, Automatic has tools that give you deep control over the image. But you do not have to give up third-party services. You can generate an image in DALL-E, and then refine it in Automatic, or transfer from the generated image style clothes or other elements in Automatic. Automatic is like Photoshop. It has the maximum functionality in its arsenal. From the video reviews, you will learn what builds of personal computer are suitable for working with Automatic, as well as what affects the stability and speed of generation. Learn what are the network services for work, and how to use these services. Thanks for watching and see you soon.